This is part one of a series of videos about horror movies from the 1980s. Welcome to our video exploring the spine-chilling world of 1980s horror movies. Brace yourself for a thrilling journey back in time, as we delve into the dark and terrifying landscape that dominated the silver screen during this iconic era. From slasher classics to supernatural nightmares, we'll unravel the secrets behind these cult favorites and uncover the reasons why they continue to haunt our dreams. The Shining, 1980, considered a masterpiece of horror, The Shining, directed by Stanley Kubrick, tells the terrifying story of a writer named Jack Torrance, played by Jack Nicholson, who takes his wife and son to stay at the isolated Overlook Hotel during its winter closure. As they become trapped in the hotel, supernatural forces begin to take over Jack's mind, leading him to descend into madness and violence. With its eerie atmosphere, memorable performances, and chilling visuals, The Shining remains an iconic horror movie that delves into themes of isolation, family dynamics, and the malevolent dark side of humanity. The Thing, 1982, directed by John Carpenter, The Thing centers around an Antarctic research station invaded by an extraterrestrial creature that can perfectly imitate any living organism it comes in contact with. As paranoia grows among the scientists present at the station due to not knowing who is human or imposter, gruesome deaths occur one after another. Terrifying practical effects and a gripping sense of tension throughout make The Thing a classic horror film that combines elements of body horror with psychological thriller. Predator, 1987, starring Arnold Schwarzenegger as Dutch Schaefer, Predator focuses on an elite group of commandos who are sent on a rescue mission deep in the Central American jungle. Little do they know that they are being hunted by an alien creature known as the Predator. Filled with intense action sequences and suspenseful moments as one by one their team members get picked off systematically, this sci-fi horror film offers thrilling cat-and-mouse gameplay while also exploring themes such as survival instincts mixed with elements from slasher films. A Nightmare on Elm Street, 1984, directed by Wes Craven, A Nightmare on Elm Street introduces audiences to Freddy Krueger, played brilliantly by Robert Englund, the iconic dream-stalking serial killer sporting a burned face and knife-fingered glove. The film follows a group of teenagers who are terrorized in their dreams by Freddy, leading to their real-life deaths. Combining supernatural elements with inventive practical effects and surreal dream sequences, this film birthed one of horror's most memorable villains and spawned a long-running franchise that delves into the blurred line between reality and nightmares. The Fly, 1986, a unique blend of science fiction and body horror. The Fly, directed by David Cronenberg, stars Jeff Goldblum as Seth Brundle, a brilliant scientist who accidentally merges his DNA with that of a fly during an experiment. As he experiences horrifying physical transformations, his mental stability deteriorates along with his relationship with Veronica Quaife, played by Gina Davis. Known for its visceral special effects makeup work, The Fly explores themes such as identity dissolution, love turning into repulsion, or compassion turning to disgust, a metaphorical commentary on disease. Evil Dead 2, 1987, a darkly comedic sequel to the 1981 original film, Evil Dead 2 follows Ash Williams, played by Bruce Campbell, who becomes trapped in a cabin in the woods filled with demonic forces unleashed from an ancient book called the Necronomicon Ex Mortis. As Ash fights off malevolent spirits alongside insane slapstick humor engaged through impressive visual effects sequences, this movie plays out like a terrifying roller coaster ride while cementing itself as an influential cult classic within the genre. The Evil Dead, 1981, directed by Sam Raimi, The Evil Dead serves as both an iconic cabin-in-the-woods horror film and the debut of Raimi's long-running franchise, revolving around demonic possessions known as Deadites. The story follows 5 college students who stumble upon the Book of the Dead during their vacation at an isolated cabin. They inadvertently release evil spirits hell-bent on making them suffer. With its low-budget charm, innovative camera techniques, and intense moments of violence blended with dark humor, The Evil Dead became a cult classic that led to a successful series. More horror movies in Part 2.